नीटाच्या रिझल्टाक उशीर जाला आसतना डीटीईन एडमिशनांची प्रक्रिया सुरू केला। ताका लागून थोड्या भुरग्यांक B2 फॉर्म भरपाक अडचण जाल्ली। ताचे वेल्यान कोफुसांव हायकोर्टात पावले। हायकोर्टान त्या भुरग्यांक डीटीईक एडमिशनाक मुजत दिवंक लायली। केस परत सोमारा कोर्टा मुखार येतली। तो मेरेन याचिकादार भुरग्यांक अंतरीम थाकाय। शुक्रारा एडमिशनाक कावन्सिलींग दवरिल्ले, पूण डीटीईन ते सोमारच्यान सुरू करता म्हूण हायकोर्टाक सांगले।
As per the order passed by the Honorable High Court on 10th of July, the court had directed the authorities to make a provisional list of students based on their merits, which includes the petitioners also. Today, when the matter came up, the court has posted it on Monday by making a further order that now the admissions or counseling should be held in terms of the provisional list so prepared. And the provisional list itself has been made subject to the result of the petition. Therefore, now if on Monday the petitioners succeed, then the admission process as started on Monday will continue. In the event the petitioners do not succeed, then that would mean that the petitioners do not get admissions at all, and the government will be entitled to carry on with their admission process the way they had initially thought of. That's the provisional list, which includes, I think if I mistake not, about 10 of the petitioners in. So they will have to consider the provisional list, which means the petitioners will have to be considered on merits.
नीटाच्या रिझल्टाक उशीर जाल्ल्यान एडमिशनाचे कोफुसांव जाल्ल्या भुरग्यांचे पालक हायकोर्टान फिर्याद घेवन गेल्यात। नीटाचो रिझल्ट येवचे पयलींच डीटीईन एडमिशनाची प्रक्रिया बंद केली म्हूण तांचो आर्ग्युमेंट। हायकोर्टाच्या निर्देशा उपरांत डीटीईन अशा भुरग्यांक 12 जुलय मेरेन नीटाचे आनी 12वेचे मार्कशीट दिवंक प्रास दिल्लो। मात याचिकेचो निमाणो निकाल कितें लागता ताचेर प्रोविजनल मेरिट लिस्टाचेर एडमिशनाक घेतिल्ल्या भुरग्यांचो फुडार आसतलो। सोमारा हायकोर्टाचे सुनावणेक हो प्रश्न तडीक लागतलो म्हूण ह्या भुरग्यांक आस्त। प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार।